Soqala la. Oqala manje, premium right now. Ngibhizi kakhulu. Besides nje noma ngathiwa bengekho busy. Mina ngizehlisa isithunzi, ngingene kwi-DM yomfana or yomuntu wesilisa, ngimtexte ngithi hey, please give me attention or whatever the case may be. Mina kwamina ama-DM engiwatholayo kwabantu angiwanaki, kodwa mina lo uSindi ngingene kwi-DM yomfana ngithi hey, mina obhizi nayo lo muntu wakho kwi-DM. Hayi bo, ngithathe serious fan. I get DMs, I get shit lot of DMs. I choose who to respond to or who not to respond to. Most of the times, I even try by all means not to respond to abantu besilisa, ngiphendula abantu besifazane kuphela. Manje masuthi mina ngibhizi ngikwi-DM yami umuntu wakho. What if uyena kwi-DM yami? Enye into angimazi lo mama, angikaze ngezwa ngaye, angikaze ngambona ndawo. Angimazi. Futhi uma ngithi angimazi ngaphela. Njengoba ngingamazi yena ngizomazi ngani umnyeni wakhe. Ngiqedile amandla shem. Ngiqedile amandla and ngizomenza mina ngingena kwi-DM yomuntu. Phela le nto leyayithatha, it takes a lot for a woman to actually do that unless bajwayele vele ukudm amadoda. Mina ngiyenzi-ke nje leyo nto, ayingichazi, ayikazi yangichaza. It's more like ngiyazishelela emfaneni. Hey bo, ngiyalingwa. Hawe ma, ngiyalingwa. I need her to come with receipts up to now. And adege itafula, abeke i-tablecloth. Noma ngasayibeka nge-tablecloth vela ngingcolile lawo ma-receipts akhe. Awabeka, awandlale phansi. Awandlale wonke. Ngiyafuna. And ngifuna kubonakala ukuthi mina owasukela leyo ndoda ngayibingelela ngathi hey, I am, or this is what, or whatever the case may be. Ngilindile and ngizolinda. Nakusasa futhi ngizobe ngilindile ngathi ngathi ngizofika futhi namanje nje ngilindile. Awukwazi ukuthi ungiqambele amanga kangaka, awukwazi nje ukuthi ungiqambele amanga kangaka. Amanga kangaka ukudm umnyeni womuntu. Mina Ego, guys, ngikholwa mina. So expect it, I go off my ways and DM amadoda. Nge-spare time sami never sesingekubone lokho.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, uSindi Mkhathini is fed up and she went on a rant last night talking about the situation with this married woman Christy, who claims that uSindi is busy DMing her husband, right? This comes after I think a guy reposted Sindi Mkhathini's pictures and said, will you marry me? And then she was like, well, if she can stop DMing my husband. And she cleared that whole ish up and she said, I would never text another woman's husband, even, that she doesn't even know her. She doesn't even know her husband. She said that she's busy going through a lot. And if you guys didn't know, I think that she, in the past 2 months or past 3 months, she lost her mother, guys. So this is a situation that's really tough for her, and she's quite busy. And she's been sharing, I've been following her, she's been sharing that she's going through a lot, but she said that she doesn't know anything about this. She doesn't know the husband, she doesn't know this woman. And I saw somewhere on TikTok where they said that this woman is not the first time she's doing this. They said that she's always looking for trouble on social media, and I'm just like, why do you have to lie? And she said, bring the receipts. Let me see where I was DMing your man. Do you remember when Leleti Nkosi posted photos of women DMing her husband. She first came out and said, "Not you guys texting my man, and I'm gonna share the pictures and the people who are, because some of them are even influencers." She did so. She did show us the receipt. Now, if you say I'm texting your man, then show me where did I text your man. Most of the time, these married men are liars to begin with. Honestly, they're liars, especially if you're meeting someone for the first time and you don't know them at all. You guys are not acquaintances, you guys don't have mutual friends. Obviously, you wouldn't. If he says I'm not married, how would you know that he's not married? You wouldn't know, right? But in this situation, she said that I'm not texting anybody else's husband. And then for married women out there, I would just want to say, like, if you have a problem with your man messing with another woman, check your husband. There are a lot. Wait again, let me tell you guys, there are a lot of women who are beautiful. They are all over South Africa. You go to Pretoria, they are there. Johannesburg, they are there. When you go to malls, there are beautiful women. At work, I'm sure there's beautiful women. When you go to the garage, there are beautiful women. Women are everywhere. You cannot avoid it. But the problem here is her husband. Honestly, I am team Cindy on this one. I feel like it's ridiculous, especially the fact that she's failing to provide us evidence. Show us where this woman was texting your man, girl. And it's also tell us that you also did approach and confront your husband, because it's not Cindy, it is your husband. You are guys. I please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, right? And then at the end, she said that she is going to open a case, because these are allegations that can't be proven here. So you're not gonna, and she's a public figure, remember her reputation, so I hope she does open. I'm really with her on this one. I hope she does open a case, and then she can go to court and prove where this girl was texting her man. Like, please. Anyway guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.